Welcome back to Tmeztv. I drove down to Louisville, Kentucky. Actually, maybe it's New Albany, to Hoosier RC Complex, Hobbyplex? I don't even know. I've been wanting to go launch the RC car on a real track like this, so drove a couple hours down. I got my cars charging, and we're about to take some laps out here. All right, so these things, you really have to put tire sauce on them, because that's what makes the tires work. So these are old tires off of my midget. They need some sauce. Down here they run slicks, so I gotta throw some slicks on my truck. And yeah, check that out. Total slick. Sent it. Well, at least it didn't land on its bottom. Welcome to RC car racing. I am not an RC car racer, not yet, but I am having a ton of fun learning how to do it. How long has this place been here?
Opened up just before COVID, 2020.
Okay, 2020. All right, so I ran the truck. Truck was much better on some good tires. My buddy Dan works down here. He cleaned the tires with some glass cleaner, and we're gonna let that soak in, maybe make that fast again. So I had the day off. Tim asked me to come up on Wednesday. He was dynoing today, it's Tuesday. And I thought I would come out here, send it with my RC car, check it all out. Where's my controller? And the dirt is way different than the carpet. But this place has some massive jumps. I just need to get my car figured out. I had it geared for the carpet track, so I just changed the pinion. It was kind of flipping over. It wasn't even making the jump without like front flipping. So I also turned some brake out of it because it was hitting brake in the air and then nose diving. I really love the aspect of the jumping side of this. Yeah, picked up some Meta sunglasses. I'm gonna throw these on and see if I can't get some footage of this out there. Hey, thank you so much for watching Tmeztv. I am so pumped about this year. I can't wait to tell you guys. All right, so local here said I need a wing on this. When I bought the car, didn't have it. I don't know anything about it because I'm not an RC car guy. But check this place out. They got it all. So I walked in here and instantly knew people. Guy in green here, he built my midget. Got a wing on it. We're gonna see if that helps it launch a little bit better. Help a guy out. All right, so I've been having a lot of fun with the truck, but time to run the buggy. This is a Team Associated, it's like a B6.3,
And I robbed some parts out of the midget, the servo, and that is a Witz 17.5 motor with a Witz fan. Been having a lot of fun building these. And since I started, I went from running 30-second laps, I'm down to running 27 consistently. I ran a couple 25-second laps, but the fast guy is running 22-second laps, 23-second laps, so I'm a little bit off the pace. But down here tuning on my car, having fun, getting ready to go to Tim's. He's got a 3D printer, or he's got like one of them Bamboo Lab printers, so I was gonna make some parts for this tonight, and then tomorrow we're gonna work on fitting my seat, getting that thing all buttoned up so that we're ready to rip. All right, so I didn't bring my midget, but apparently they're racing oval track tonight.
We're driving flat. 25 is quick for whatever car. Right here.
That's a slash, isn't it? The 34 there? All right, time to try the buggy. Oh yeah, that gear helped a bunch. I can tell already. Oh, poles are in the way. It takes a couple laps for the tires to come in, and once they do, the car's really good. But right there, it's fishtailing because it's not so good. So I'm just trying to get some heat in the tires. Robert's tuning up the buggy, and it's under the body.
Oh, it's under here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, that was a lot of fun. Got myself 5 seconds faster, and really just with RC, it's like learning the track and getting comfortable with that. Got my exercise in walking the track. Got the box all loaded up, and I am headed to Tim Engler's. Thanks again for watching. Tmeztv, I'm out.